Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good evening I bid to Madam Zulinda and to all of my fellow students. Before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Amirul Hakim bin Omar and you all can call me Sir Amirul. So in this evening, I'm going to cover about topic 3.1, that is the sociological aspects of science and technology. Sociology is the study of human social relationships and institutions. Sociology's purpose is to understand how human action and consciousness both shape and are shaped by surrounding cultural and social structures. Sociology is also a social science that studies human societies, their interactions, and the processes that preserve and change them. In a simple way, sociology is the study of groups and group interactions, societies, and social interactions from small and personal groups to very large groups. For example, a group of people who live in a defined geographic area, who interact with one another, and who share a common culture is what sociologists calls a society. Next, we're moving on to the history of sociology. The term sociology was first used by Frenchman Auguste Comte in the 1830s when he proposed a synthetic science uniting all knowledge about human activity. This made him well known as the father of sociology. Auguste Comte is a French philosopher known as the founder of sociology and of the positivism. Comte gave the science of sociology its name and established the new subject in a systematic fashion. Besides, he also a philosopher, mathematician, and social scientist. There are two Comte's major works include number 1, 6-volume Course of Positive Philosophy in the year of 1830s and 4-volume System of Positive Polity in the year of 1851. Next is Harriet Martineau. She is well known as the first woman psychologist. Harriet Martineau is an essayist, novelist, journalist, and economic and historical writer who was prominent with other English intellectuals of her time. In 1853, she also the first to translate the Comte's major works, which is 6-volume Course of Positive Philosophy from French to English language. Next is Herbert Spencer. Herbert Spencer is an English sociologist, philosopher, and early advocate of the theory of evolution. He is known and famous for his doctrine of social Darwinism. There are two Spencer's major works, which are Herbert Spencer's Principles of Biology, Survival of the Fittest in the year of 1864, and the Synthetic Philosophy in the year of 1896.
Sociology is the scientific study of society, patterns of social relationships, social interaction, and culture of everyday life. It is a social science that uses various methods of empirical investigation and critical analysis to develop a body of knowledge about social order, acceptance, and change or social evolution. While some sociologists conduct research that may be applied directly to social policy and welfare, others focus primarily on refining the theoretical understanding of social processes. Subject matter ranges from the micro-sociology level of individual agency and interaction to the macro level of systems and the social structure. The different traditional focuses of sociology include social stratification, social class, social mobility, religion, secularization, law, sexuality, gender, and deviance. As all spheres of human activity are affected by the interplay between social structure and individual agency, sociology has gradually expanded its focus to other subjects, such as health, medical, economy, military and penal institutions, the Internet, education, social capital, and the role of social activity in the development of scientific knowledge. The range of social scientific methods has also expanded. Social researchers draw upon a variety of qualitative and quantitative techniques. The linguistic and cultural turns of the mid-20th century led to increasingly interpretive, hermeneutic, and philosophic approaches towards the analysis of society. Conversely, the end of the 1990s and the beginning of the 2000s have seen the rise of new analytically, mathematically, and computationally rigorous techniques, such as agent-based modeling and social network analysis. Social research informs politicians and policy makers, educators, planners, legislators, administrators, developers, business magnates, managers, social workers, non-governmental organizations, non-profit organizations, and people interested in resolving social issues in general. There is often a great deal of crossover between social research, market research, and other statistical fields.
Do watch the video that I provided for your better understanding. Now, we're moving on to the definition of science and technology. Science, fundamentally, is the systematic study of the structure and behavior of the natural and physical world through observations and experiments. Study of science evolved with the civilization of human beings. Technology, which is basically derived from the Greek word technologia, is an art, skill, or ability which is used to create and develop products and acquire knowledge. Scientists use their knowledge to develop technology and then use technology to develop science. So, because of the reason, science and technology are an integrated term in today's world. Science and technology help each other advance. Scientific knowledge is used to create new technologies. This allows scientists to explore nature in different ways and make new discoveries. Do watch the video that I provided for your better understanding.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
created using Powtoon.
The sociology of science and technology covers three different units of investigation. Number 1, the internal structure of the scientific and engineering community. Next, the institutionalization process of science and technology. And lastly, the interaction of science, technology, and society. There are several positive effects of science and technology in community. Number 1, which is in the information field. Technology has advanced into many areas of our lives, making information more accessible. This makes the news to spread easily. Thus, people can always aware of what are happening around them. Next, technology has made improvement on the communication and makes communication much simpler in recent times. It also affects the way individuals communicate, learn, and think. Then, it helps society and determines how people interact with each other on a daily basis. Next, one aspect of technology that makes a great impact in community is how it affects learning. Technology plays an important role in society today because it provides new learning techniques for the students. For example, the Web 2.0 that has been created to make the learning process easier for the students. Lastly, science and technology make huge innovation in the world of transportation. It makes transportation become safer to use and have shorter time to arrive at the destination. This can be proven by the adaptation of innovative systems in the autonomous driving technology. For negative effects, firstly, it will affect the social skills of the person. This is because we will be too dependent on the technology to interact with others. Sometimes, it affects our health and our lifestyles as we will be complacent and lazy. Hence, it will destroy our simple and healthy life. Next, our data privacy can be at risk. This is because with the new advanced technology, hacker and scammer can get easy access as the person are going online. So, all these bad people manage to get all of your important and private information in a short time. But, this problem can be prevented by using high security system and a firewall in your mobile devices. In conclusion, the study of sociology helps the individual to understand human community and how social systems work. Next, science and technology is important for individuals because it gives an idea on how to solve the problems of the individuals. Lastly, science and technology also are important to improve the system of the community. Last but not least, thank you for joining my class, students. See you next time. Bye-bye.